Good morning, Lincoln Elementary.
Welcome to Wildcat TV.
This week's Cool Tools we get along with others.
Chastasi, Blake Clarida, Crossan, Ashton Phillips, Pinkston, Kalia Edmond, Tarleton, Geronimo Gonzalez. Davis, Piper Powell, Francis, Rylan Woodard, Stout, Alex Middleton, Taylor, Elizabeth Maples.
Arms, Dakota Hanks. Bundren, Ashlyn DeLauder. Romaine, Adriana Dunning. Shannon, Addison Keck. Bergee, Megan Cercelano. Childers, Braden Hanks. Groves, Lillian Heron. Landis, Braden Emery.
Atkins, Brady Jackson, Allardyce, Abby Norris, McPhail, Annalyn Hayes, Stower, Lewis Johnson. Barnett, Mario Aguilar, Brotherton, Evan Nolley, Brown, Morgan Norris, Clark, Ethan Carricker, Seegers, Trey Johnson.
We need all Cool Tool winners to report to the office for a picture.
Next week's Cool Tool is...
We listen when our teacher speaks.
This is the wrong way.
Boys and girls, let's put our art on the corner of our desk. Clear off anything you have on your desk. Boys and girls.
Charlie, this looks like you.
Hey,
Oh my goodness.
Next week's Cool Tool is...
We listen when our teacher speaks.
This is the correct way.
boys and girls, we need to get our desks all cleared off. Let's put our art on the corner of our desk. If you have your book out, let's go ahead and put that in our desks also.